Diamonds in the Sun. That's the latest project and collaboration by Tanya Stevens with Diana King and Sidela Mali. Listen, is a global hit. Tanya, good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Good morning, good girl. Yeah.
Talk to me first of all about what inspired this song.
Well, the song comes from a place of not only hurt but healing.
Yeah.
And it is speaking to the survivors of sexual violence and gender violence. As myself and Dana have been um, both experienced in department,
Yeah.
and expresses the all the possibilities, all of the potential of those who survive stuff like that. We just want to talk about coming out of it and having them like forward and to change the environment, change the dialogue, change the narrative for those who have not yet and prevent of happening or all of it, hopefully.
It's a powerful thing because, Tanya, there are so many women globally and here in Jamaica who have experienced sexual violence and they just cannot talk about it. Or they feel like, I have to keep silent because people are going to judge me. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to say it. And I feel like this song like this will empower them to feel like it's okay. Is that one of the reasons as well why you've done it?
Definitely one of the reasons, and one of the reasons why I keep talking, and I never will stop talking,
Yeah.
because I recognize how hard it is to make the first step, to say the first word. Our environment has been built around culture of silence,
Yes.
and shame and degradation. So I know how it is for somebody to get up and speak. And when people like us can speak, we speak on behalf of those who can't. So yes, definitely what it's about.
Well, Tanya, let's talk about the single. First of all, everything you write, me love it because you're prolific as a writer. But tell me how you manage now to bring three superstars together on one track.
I'm still I'm still, shocked myself at the fact that we're all on this flood. Because, first of all, Sidela hadn't really done much music, for years.
Yes.
Sidela, we know her for her corporate work, you know. And Diana, even though that's music, she's very selective about it. She's not accessible, as far as doing work with. And so is a gem, really is a gem. And Diamond we couldn't find a name than Diamond, but we all three are Diamond to stands beyond circumstance.
Yeah, and that's one of the things I thought about when I saw all three of you. Because I said the thing about Diana, Tanya, Sidela is that you guys do timeless music. Um, Tanya, people still are singing, I sang them from the first one till the last one. Everybody's still singing Shy Guy, Sidela from the days of. How difficult is it as an artist to not just fall back and just continue to just enjoy the success of what you have worked so hard at and say, boy, people still are singing my music, I don't need for do nothing more. Here you come with a work that is so powerful. What inspires you to do that?
Well, yeah, you're right. It would be easy to just sit back and live off a catalog because I have a
Yeah.
really extensive catalog, which keeps me working all the time. But I'm a creative.
Yeah.
First and foremost, I'm a creative before a performer. So I can't not have so many more to say. I have such more to share, so many ways to express myself that I couldn't possibly stop make music. And if I
Yeah.
don't sing them myself, I'm still going to be very present and very active in the production area of it. So yeah.
Well, listen, once I heard it was coming and me hear the first little part them on your Insta, Diana, me say, hey, when the full thing a drop, when can we hear the full song?
Well, the full song is available now on all streaming
Nice.
platforms. So
Nice.
people can actually it's available for streaming and purchasing. And it comes to the upcoming album, which is a collaboration between myself and Tad's Records. Junior Tad's doing production duties on it. And the album will be able for pre in July on my birthday. and
Nice.
it will be, yeah, man, and more singles drop and some surprises that trust me, me can't hardly contain myself in about out all of my little secret them, but it's coming.
No, Tanya, you know, it's a long time we still on the wait for the album there, right?
Well, I've been told, and I'm very grateful for that, because nobody told me not to deal. People don't like my music. I think my music is good, but nobody has to agree. And the fact people actually like music and keep listening to it and keep asking for more, that the gravity of it does not escape me. I'm grateful for it. So big up everybody, big up, and thanks for this conversation.
Well, listen, Diamonds in the Sun is such a big, listen, it's a global hit. And the album, may I wait for it drop. Tanya, a long time we wait for it. So I'm glad it's here. Looking forward to it. So we're going into the summer with Tanya. Listen, guys, Tanya, all the best to you. Continue to put out powerful work. That's one thing I have to ask. You know, what continues to maintain that kind of quality? Because I feel like you could have just churned out music, but you time what you do to make sure that it's at a particular level. And what is it in you that works to sustain that quality?
Well, it took me 30 years, 30 odd years to build this reputation. So I would just throw any song to kill my credibility. It took too much to get here.
Yes.
But apart from that, I have respect for people's eardrums. I have respect for people's time. Everything that they invest in me, I have respect for that. So I can just give anything. And I compete with myself. This is where my ego plays out. This is where my narcissism comes into useful play. Because I have to outdo myself.
Yes.
Whatever I did yesterday, I need to do something than that today. So this is why I keep doing and trying harder and better.
I totally understand it, my friend. Never Bell, by the way, says, good morning. I remember when you're on tour, Miss a big dancer.
Of course, I'm a partner that man, I'm a party.
Tanya Stevens, always a pleasure, my friend. Enough respect to you. Thanks for speaking with us this morning.
No.
International recording artist, big star, Tanya Stevens. Look out for Diamonds in the Sun and the big album coming soon. More and Smile when we return from the break.